Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Nissan Altima and I will show you which fuses to check in case your power door locks are not working. So this applies to these door lock buttons here and also on a key fob. So if none of these are working, then you want to check the fuses first. If only the key fob or only these buttons are not working, then it will not be a fuse problem. So if the power door locks are not working at all, then you want to check the fuse. This video should apply to 6th generation of Nissan Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2024. And also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. So you will want to check two fuses and both will be located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel just behind this cover. Now to remove the cover you just want to gently pry it out, so you will need like a small flat screwdriver, a small key or anything similar. So just pry it here and pop it out. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram and here access to all of the fuses. And this black piece, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the fuses you will check are these two 15 amp blue fuses, fuse number 42 and fuse number 43, both 15 amp. Okay, and now in case both of these fuses are good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper, you'll have to test the switches, you'll have to test the door actuator, you'll have to check the wiring, especially you want to check the wiring behind this rubber sleeve right here at the door. You want to check the wiring towards the actuator and you want to test the actuator itself. But first things first, always check the fuses because quite often that is the main problem. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.